Yo, what's up guys, Divyansh here, and today I have an amazing tool for you guys named Webjets, a versatile desktop by which you can collect, organize and share anything in a very different and stylish way. Also, it is very useful for students as they can make a very amazing and interesting notes and they can create a very good kind of study materials using this Webjets. So today we are gonna talk a bit about Webjets, what exactly they are and how it is so helpful for us. So without any further ado, let's get started. Webjets is a versatile desktop for your life and work, and it allows you to manage any kind of information with ease. Any content collected from the web automatically turns into an interactive card. We get a drag and drop option for bookmarklet or even IFTTT to push your data into Webjets. Webjets.io is a virtual desktop where all information is presented in form of cards, like sticky notes, simple and helpful to use. Webjets allows you to collaborate in various forms such as task management, brainstorming, or simply sharing common collections of articles, music, or photos. Here you can see that how easy it is to use this Webjet service. We get many options such as table, list, boards, card, and also the best thing is that you can easily add any YouTube video and Wikipedia search item in your desktop within seconds. Also, it allows you drag and drop option by which you can easily drag and drop anything from your computer, your desktop, from your internet, from any folder or anywhere. These Webjets are highly customizable and also you can change the theme background of your versatile desktop. Since this is a versatile desktop, so by this you can access your desktop from anywhere in the world using the Webjets website and your login information. In Webjets, there are many ways to collect content. The first one is by writing notes, the second one drag and drop option, the third one is copy and paste, the fourth one is bookmarklet and browser extension, and the last one is the IFTTT and webhook. Also, any content or container in the Webjets can be shared easily. Simply click the menu on the right top and click share button. That's all you have to do for sharing your Webjet to anyone. Also, anything updated or placed inside that shared board is synchronized live on all devices of users it is shared with. Also, a very good thing is that Webjets recently got listed as one of 6 education tools to try in 2019 in the popular podcast Cult of Pedagogy. Know more from the link given below in the description about this. It is ranked as one tool of the education tech tools of 2019. So, if you want to know more about Webjets.io, please visit their website or sign up for free at app.webjets.io. The link of Webjets website is also given below in the description as well as in the show notes. And you should try this Webjets for sure because Webjets is free for people in education, for teachers and students, and for non-profit organizations. So this was all about this amazing tech tool, and guys, you should try it once. Even I started using Webjets for a couple of days and it is damn helpful. Thanks to Webjets team for giving me an opportunity to make this amazing video and to tell my viewers about this amazing service. And also you should know that Webjets are the sponsors of today's video. So guys, do follow me on Instagram at Tech Paradise for future updates and for exclusive giveaways. So if you have any question in your mind regarding this video, then please put a comment below in the comment section and also give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on tech. I am Divyansh and I'll catch you in the next one.